In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel in Smartsheet. Exporting your Smartsheet data to Excel is a great way to share information with people who don't use Smartsheet, run more advanced reports, or back up your work in a familiar file format. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to generate and download an Excel file from any sheet you're working in. First, open the Smartsheet that you want to export. Make sure you're in the sheet view, looking at your rows and columns the way you normally do when you're editing or reviewing data. Take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks the way you want it to appear in Excel, because the export will reflect what's currently in the sheet. Next, move your attention to the top left corner of the sheet. You're looking for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More menu. This icon usually sits near the sheet name and other top toolbar options. Click on that three-dot icon to open a drop-down menu with several actions related to your sheet. In the menu that appears, look for the Export option. You don't want to click it right away. Instead, hover your mouse over Export. When you hover, you'll see a secondary menu expand to the side, showing the different export formats that Smartsheet supports. From that list, choose Export to Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and click that option. As soon as you select Export to Microsoft Excel, Smartsheet will begin generating a file for you. You don't need to do anything else on the page. Just give it a moment to process, especially if your sheet is large or contains many rows, columns, or attachments. Once the export is ready, your browser will automatically start downloading the Excel file. By default, this file will go straight into your browser's Downloads folder. Depending on your settings, you might see a download bar at the bottom or top of your browser, or a small notification showing that the file has finished downloading. If you're not sure where it went, open your computer's Downloads folder and look for a file with the same name as your Smartsheet, but with an Excel extension. From there, you can open the file in Microsoft Excel, share it with your team, or move it to a more permanent location for storage and reporting. And that's all there is to exporting your data from Smartsheet to Excel.